Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
In this video, I will show you how to make the best easy lemonade. First, let's gather our simple ingredients. You'll need about 6 to 8 fresh, juicy lemons, 1 cup of granulated sugar, and 4 cups of cold water. These basic components are all it takes to create a wonderfully refreshing drink. We're aiming for a perfect balance of sweet and tart, so selecting good quality lemons is key to achieving that bright, zesty flavor everyone loves. Get ready for a delicious treat. Next, let's get that amazing lemon flavor. Roll your lemons firmly on a counter before cutting them in half. This helps release more juice. Then squeeze them until you have about 1 cup of fresh lemon juice. For the sweetness, we'll make a simple syrup. Combine 1 cup of granulated sugar with 1 cup of hot water in a separate bowl. Stir it well until all the sugar completely dissolves, creating a clear, sweet liquid. This syrup ensures a smooth, consistent sweetness throughout your lemonade. Now for the fun part, mixing it all together. Carefully pour your fresh lemon juice and the simple syrup into a large pitcher. Then add the remaining 3 cups of cold water. Give it a good, thorough stir to ensure all the flavors are perfectly blended. This is your chance to taste and adjust. If you prefer it sweeter, add a little more simple syrup. If you like it tartar, a splash more lemon juice will do the trick. Find your ideal balance. Finally, it's time to serve and enjoy your homemade lemonade. Fill your pitcher or individual glasses with plenty of ice cubes to keep it wonderfully chilled. For an extra touch of elegance and flavor, garnish each glass with a fresh lemon slice or a sprig of mint. Serve it immediately to savor that crisp, refreshing taste. Any leftover lemonade can be stored in the refrigerator for up to 3 days, ready for another delightful sip whenever you wish. Cheers!
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.